Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for uploading this much late. In this video, I will talk about a very frequently asked question in the field of cybersecurity. That can you directly start learning ethical hacking without any prior knowledge in computer science? The answer is obviously no. A big no. You need to have some prior knowledge without which people generally give up due to lack of understanding and regular failures. So, what is the right approach? What do we need to learn before actually starting to learn ethical hacking? What should be the methodology? What skills are required? I am also a beginner, so all the questions shall be answered suggested by people who are already into this field. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to learn is computer fundamentals. Every basic thing, how to turn on computer, what are hardware devices, how to create folders, how to click on icons, how to install software. It's illogical, but you need to learn it. Imagine you don't know how to operate a computer, then how you will hack? Whom you will hack? You need to learn about operating system, RAM, ROM, disk management, file management, etc. So at first you need to know about basics thoroughly. At second, you need to know about networking and internet. You need to know how internet works. Basically, you need to learn about networking. It's very important part of hacking. Without learning networking, don't go for hacking. The results won't be good. We connect many computers in networking. So you need to know how to connect two systems. Obviously, what you will do being disconnected with other system, you won't hack yourself sitting in a room. You have to penetrate, hack other system or organization or any other target. So networking is not optional, it's important. You have to learn it. Focus mainly on application layer, some part of network layer and data link layer. You don't have to learn everything in networking. Learn about FTP, HTTP, STP, MAC addressing, IP addressing, TCP, UDP. You don't need to go in core networking like Aloha, Ethernet, Frame Relay. If you don't believe in self-study or you can't be regular, then you can take certification in networking from CCNA, CompTIA Plus. Being competitive, you will study everything from basic and on regular basis. So at third, you need to study about Linux. You can go for Kali Linux, Parrot, or you can start with Ubuntu, it's your choice. If you are in hacking, that at any point you will encounter with Linux. Most of the hackings are done on Linux. Most of the hackers make Kali Linux as their hacking machine. You need to know about both Windows and Linux thoroughly. How file system, bash, shell, directory works in Linux. What are command prompt lines. How to create or remove directories. Learn every fundamental and explore Linux thoroughly. For Linux also you can do certifications like RHCE, Red Hat Certified Engineer. Then at fourth, there is another requirement, learn at least one programming language. Many of people will recommend that you don't need to learn any programming language because there are pre-made tools available in Kali Linux. But just imagine if you teach a child how to use these tools, he can be also called a hacker, but that's not a professional way. You need to learn a programming language so that you can make your own scripts and tools. In hacking, there are many areas. You can go for web hacking, forensics, network hacking, etc. For different attacks, there are different tools. Attacks are written in different languages. There are different programs, softwares. You don't have to learn every programming language available on this planet. There are many languages available. Learn basic level of few programming languages. For example, learn PHP, which is used in web hacking. Learn SQL, which is used alongside with PHP. Learn JavaScript for front end, JSON for API hacking. You will need PHP in most web hacking. Simultaneously learn Python with it. To be a good hacker, you need to learn basics of these languages, but you should master at least one programming language to write your own scripts and make your own tools. Python is used in YouTube, Android and many apps. It is growing rapidly. It will be best to learn and master it. So finally, you have to learn fundamentals, networking, Linux and at least one programming language to be a good and professional hacker. If you like this video, please Do like and subscribe.